Hello everybody, my name is Matthew. I'm the social media producer at the Rachael Show. We are backstage with Sean Evans, who is, you might know him from Hot Ones on YouTube. He has tried the hottest pepper in the entire world.
It's true.
We know a lot of you out there are not so super into the spiciest of foods, so we're going to dial it down a little bit, and we're going for mild ones today.
Mild ones, I like that.
We are going to try some of the mildest peppers that there are available to us. We're going to start that right up with the bell pepper.
The bell pepper, classic.
The lowest ranking on the Scoville scale.
It's almost like refreshing. It's like a cucumber water at a nice hotel. You know, you could really like quench your thirst with that. You could eat 90 and you wouldn't feel any sort of mouth burn or lip sizzle. It's just a good, classic, great pepper. Bell pepper, legend. Next is the banana pepper. 500 Scoville. Watch out, world. Little kick.
It does have a little bit to it.
A little kick, but that's how you know you're alive. You know, that's how you know you're eating the real thing. You want that little kick. Don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid of it, audience out there. Mild ones, it's all right. You can turn it up a little bit. But for 500 Scoville, little kick.
I'm surprised
little
by
kick.
that one, actually. That one got me a little bit more than I was expecting.
Are we flirting with your comfort zone a little bit over here?
No, I can't say that I would ever want to try the hottest pepper in the entire world, but I definitely am down with some spicy peppers. This is a cubanelle.
Cubanelle. 100 to 1,000, so it might be twice as hot as our banana pepper, according to the math. Let's see.
It doesn't have much flavor.
Mm-mm. The banana pepper, it knocks on your door. It
Yeah.
lets you know it's there. This one, I could just, you know. No problem. It goes right through it.
An ají dulce pepper. It's like a sweet Spanish pepper.
Ají dulce, very pretty pepper.
It is. It kind of looks like a habanero slightly, which made me like a tiny bit nervous, but...
Plus these colors, you know, you watch out. You see this growing in some sort of hot pepper farm, like, watch out. This is not a blind situation.
I kind of like that one.
I do too. It has that real earthy pepper to it.
Yeah.
You know, like when I have a Carolina Reaper, which is the hottest pepper in the world for a long time, Pepper X, like these super hots, they have this sort of like, the base to it. You know what I mean? And so like this, I can tell it's like the most mild version of that, but I'm getting like sort of a Pavlovian response because my body has gone through this so many times. I was like, now my cheeks are watering just because it has that earth to it.
A classic Poblano. It's fine.
Chill. So far, the banana pepper was really...
that's really been the one that's gotten us so far.
That kind of delivered an uppercut. A little bit of a late creep on the Poblano. I'm getting a little bit of heat on my tongue, but it's manageable.
And finally,
classic
jalapeno pepper. Ribs and all.
We've all been here. So this is a 2,500 to 5,000 heat on the Scoville scale, right?
Mm-hmm.
Scoville, measure of capsaicin per unit. Basically what makes something hot. So you have something like this and you see like, oh, 5,000, like,
that's such a big number.
But it is, like, this one's kicking to me harder than the banana pepper.
Definitely.
And it's because, like, the number on the Scoville scale almost doesn't matter. You know, like, peppers are all different. And they're going to hit you differently than maybe they hit me. And sometimes you'll have a pepper that's, like, or a hot sauce that's maybe, like, 50,000 Scoville units. And it'll hit you harder than something with, like, 300 or 400,000.
Interesting.
So you kind of can't do the straight head-to-head math on something like that and know where you are. You just have to do a cannonball into the pool.
Just go
and
for
see
it.
if you float.
What would be your rankings of these peppers?
So here's how I go. Our jalapeno was the hottest.
Mm-hmm.
Then I think our banana pepper,
I agree.
in a sneaky way, kind of had that little body shot.
A little bit of a punch to it.
Our beautiful Spanish peppers, I would put at number 3. It had that earthy, real pepper grown in the soil, welded through the sun, sort of battle-tested. The Poblano, right?
Mm-hmm.
Had a little bit of a creep to it.
It did at the end. At the end, it
I'll
definitely
slide
did.
it in at number 4. And then I would say our bell pepper at number 5, just because it had a taste to it. You know, just because it quenched my thirst a little bit. Bell pepper, it's great on any type of food. And then I'd say
the cubanelle.
The cubanelle just...
There wasn't anything there.
It was a ghost.
It was a ghost of a
pepper. I bit right through it. I ate it. I wouldn't even know.
Awesome. Well, thank you. And I hope that everyone at home knows that these are all manageable. They're all manageable.
If we can do it, you can do
You
it.
can do it. Thank you very much for being part of the Backstage experience at Rachael Ray.
It was such an experience. Thank you for having me.